Hello class, myself Jasprit Kaur, and today we will study about linear equation with one variable. Our first question is, Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Find their present age. So, it is given to us that Arjun is twice as old as Shreya's. So, let Shreya's age equal to x. So, accordingly, Arjun's age, that will be 2x, because it is given to us that Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. Now 5 years ago. Now ago means before. So 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. That means 5 years ago, according to the condition, 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Now how will we are able to write this equation? Because he told us that 5 years ago, that means 5 will be subtracted from both their ages. Now Arjun's age was 3 times Shreya's age. Now if we want to write their ages in an equal condition, then we should multiply Shreya's age with, so that it will be equal to Arjun's age. Now we will solve the equation. 2x minus 5 equal to 3x minus 15. 3 5s are 15. Now taking variable on the left hand side, 2x minus 3x equal to minus 15 plus 5. So minus x equal to minus 10. So x will be equal to 10. Negative sign get cancelled on both sides. That means Shreya's age will be 10. Now we have to find the present ages of both of them. So Shreya's age will be 10 and Arjun's age will be twice of 10, that will be 20. So Shreya's present age will be 10 years and Arjun's present age, that will be twice of Shreya's present age, 20 years. Now we will do second question. Shobho's mother's present age is 6 times Shobho's present age. Shobho's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present age? Now Shobho's mother's present age is 6 times Shobho's present age. Now that means Shobho's mother's age will be dependent on Shobho's present age. So let us suppose Shobho's present age equal to x years. So Shobho's mother's present age will be that will be 6 times Shobho's present age. Now 5 years from now will be. Now 5 years from now will be. Now here will be, that means it is a case of future. So 5 years from now, that means we will add 5 to the both of their ages. 1/3 of his mother's present age. 5 years from now, that means according to the condition, 5 years from now will be Shobho's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. That means 1/3 of, now what was his mother's present age, it is 6 times. So 6 times x. Now we will solve the equation. 2x equal to x plus 5. So we will separate out the variable on the left hand side. 2x minus x equal to 5. So x equal to 5. So here present age of Shobo will be x, that is equal to 5 years. So Shobo's mothers will be 6 times x means 6 multiplied by 5, that will be 30 years. Shobo's present age, it will be 5 years. Shobo's mother's present age, this will be equal to 5 into 6, 30 years. Hence solve. Let's do third question. So our statement is sum of two-digit number of a two-digit number is 9. Firstly, we will understand this line. Sum of two digits of a two-digit number. Two-digit number is, these are the numbers from 10 to 99. So 1, 2. Here are two digits, like 9, 9. There are two digits. So the numbers starting from 10 till 99 are the two-digit numbers. So here this is our unit place and this is our tens place. Now if we want to write 99 in the simple form, then we can write it 9 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So 9 is at a unit place and this 9 is at a tens place. So 9 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So in this way 99 can be written in the expanded form. Now so sum of the two digits of a two-digit number is 9. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर हमारे पास दो डिजिट का एक नंबर है तो लेट इट्स फर्स्ट डिजिट एंड दिस इज अ सेकंड डिजिट, तो इन दोनों का जो सम है, जैसे हमारे पास आ गया 3, 6 या फिर 4, 5, ये दो डिजिट का नंबर है, इन दोनों डिजिट्स का जो सम है वो 9 आएगा, लाइक 4 plus 5 या फिर 5, 54, that will be 5 plus 4. So it is given to us that sum of the two digits of a digit number is 9. Then when we interchange their digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Now first of all we write the first condition, that sum of two digit number, like these two digits are A and B. So sum of two digit number is 9. So we can write it so this is our first digit, this is second digit. So sum of these two digit number is 9. Now when we interchange their digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So these are the two digits of a two-digit number. Now it can be written like A plus 10B. Now this is our number. When these two digits are interchanged, so after interchanging, number can be written like 10A plus B, that will be, the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So here this is our original number. So after interchanging the placement of the digits, we get the new number which is 27 greater than the original number. So that will be a plus 10b. Now we will take the like terms on the left hand side. So 10a plus b minus a minus 10b, that will be equal to 27. Now that will be 9a minus plus b minus 10b, that will be minus 9b. This is equal to 27. Now taking common 9, a minus b, that will be equal to 27. So a minus b will be equal to 27 by 9, that will be equal to 3. Now a plus b is given to us, that is equal to 9, and a minus b, that will be equal to 3. Now solving these two equations, a plus b equal to 9. So 2a equal to 12. So a is 6. Now put this value of a in first equation. A is 6 plus b, that will be equal to 9, and b equal to 9 minus 6. Taking b to the right hand side, 6 to the right hand side, so value of b will be 3. So we had find the digits of a and b, that are 6 and 3. So we have to find the number. That original number will be 6 plus 10 multiplied by 3, that will be equal to 30 plus 6, 36. So we can see that 3 and 6 are the two digits which on addition of these two digits we get the number 9. That is 3 plus 6 equal to 9, as well as 36 is a two digit number. So all the conditions are satisfied. So hence we find the value of a and b, that are 3 and 6. Now we will do fourth question. Half of the herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. That means जो deers का जो herd है, जो झुंड है, उसमें से जो half deers हैं वो फील्ड में ग्रेस कर रहे हैं, मतलब घास खा रहे हैं, and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby, और उनमें से जो 3/4 बचे वो nearby खेल रहे हैं, and rest are drinking water from the pond, and जो बाकी 9 बचे वो pond में से पानी पी रहे हैं. Find the number of deer in the herd. Now let total number of deers in the herd equal to x. So here we will take that total number of deer to be x, because from total number of herd, half of deers are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. That means our key point is total number of deer. Now half of them grazing in the field, that is equal to x by 2. Now remaining deers playing nearby, that is 3/4 of x by 2. Number of deer drinking water nearby, from the pond, that is 9. So these deers are taken from the total number of deers. So according to that condition, we can write that total number of deer is equal to, in total numbers of deer में से जो half of deers हैं वो फील्ड में ग्रेज कर रहे हैं. हमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ डियर्स के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता, पर इनमें से जो हाफ है दैट इज हाफ ऑफ एक्स, और उनमें से जो 3/4 बचे हैं दैट विल बी 3/4 ऑफ x by 2. One thing should be noted here that we will taking 3/4 of rest of the deers from the half of the herd of deers, because half of the deers are grazing in the field, and from that remaining of them are playing nearby. So we will take 3/4 of x by 2 instead of 3/4 of x, and the rest 9 are drinking water. Now taking variables on the left hand side. इसमें से जो 3/4 हमने x by 2 लिया है, इसका मतलब ये है कि जो हाफ जो है वो डियर ग्रेज कर रहे हैं फील्ड में, और इसका जो 3/4 पार्ट है, ना कि पूरे हर्ड ऑफ डियर का जो आधे जो ग्रेज कर रहे हैं उसका जो बाकी आधे का बचा पार्ट है वो जो है वो नियर बाय खेल रहे हैं, तो हम हाफ ऑफ x का 3/4 पार्ट लेंगे. दैट विल बी 3x अपॉन 4 टू 8. तो 3x upon 8 equal to 9. Taking the LCM, so 8x minus 4x multiplied by 4 minus 3x, that will be equal to 9. From here 8x 4 plus 3 7, 7x upon 8 equal to 9, x upon 8 equal to 9, which implies x equal to 8 into 9, 72. So we have to find the number of deers in the herd. Number of deer in the herd are, number of deer in the herd 72. So there are total 72 deers which are in the herd of deers. So hence we solve the question. Now let's do next question. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Then 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. अमन की एज उसके बेटे से 3 टाइम्स है. 10 साल पहले he was 5 times his son's age, मतलब वो अपने 10 साल पहले वो अपने बेटे से 5 गुना था. Then find their present age. Let age of son x year. So this is our present age. Present age of son is x year. Now present age of Aman. Age of Aman, that will be 3 times his son, so 3 times x. Now 10 years ago, 10 साल पहले he was 5 times his son age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son age. If you are supposed to be 15 years old now, then 5 years ago you was 10 years. So the present age is 15 years. Your present age is 15 years, and 5 years ago you was 10 years. That means we are subtracting 5 from your present age. In a similar way, 10 years ago age of son was x minus 10, and age of Aman is the father of his son, so that will be 3x minus 10. Now according to our condition, 10 years ago he was 5 times his son age. That means 3x minus 10 is the age of Aman. Now this is the age of his son. if we want to write their ages to be in equality condition, then as it is given to us that 10 years ago he was 5 times his son age. अगर वो अपने बेटे से 5 गुना है तो हमें अपने उसके बेटे को की एज को 5 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तभी वो फादर की एज के इक्वल आएगा. So instead of multiplying with the age of father, we will multiplying with the age of son. Now we will solve the 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 10, 50. Now separating the like terms, 3x minus 5x equal to minus 50 plus 10. Whenever you are taking from left to right, negative sign will be changed into addition. Now 3x minus 5x will be minus 2x minus 40 and x will be 20 years. That means present age of son is 20 and age of Aman, that will be 3 times his son age, 60 years. Hence solved.